we're looking at the cloud, we are looking AI in the cloud solutions, and we are also experts in the banking workflow. What does it mean? We have experts from the industry who know, for example, what the back office does, what the mid office does, and the front office does. If we're looking at the back office, they do, for example, reconciliation. They match trades, they load the data, they transform the data, they match the data, and when they match the data, they categorize it into exceptions. Categorizing into exceptions is a perfect scenario where artificial intelligence is coming in. Yeah? So this is back office. If we are looking, for example, at the mid office, we have stress testing. So banks, they have to make more and more regulation, and stress testing is a very good scenario for artificial intelligence, again in the cloud. If we're looking at the front office traders, they want to know, or would like to know at least, what is happening in the future. And we see more and more requests. If you're having different currencies, Euro, USD, and so forth, they want to have, for example, a transaction forecast. But they also want to know, okay, are there any exceptions? Are there normal or abnormal transactions which we can investigate and where artificial intelligence also helps? If you're looking at the whole workflow, artificial intelligence can help in a very efficient way, and we have the Innovation Lab in Vienna. And in combination with the cloud, this is the perfect solution.
I think for Citi and our customers, what the cloud is starting to really help us achieve is to open up our transactional capabilities through application programming interfaces, not just for our customers to make use of themselves, but increasingly as they move into cloud-based applications with their software and vendor requirements. For example, the traditional ERP vendors like SAP and Oracle are creating their applications in the cloud, as well as some of the treasury management systems that have grown up in the Fintech space, companies like Kyriba, Bellin, FIS. These systems that our customers are using are increasingly being able to access our banking as a service type capabilities through the application programming interfaces or APIs that we are exposing.
Banks, they have to look more at the back office from this side. Okay, we have to look at regulation. We have to train the people. We have to, for example, upgrade systems. So there's a lot of cost involved, and the banks are more and more, they had the legacy systems, so the old systems, and they were not so fast in upgrading their system like other industries, and now they are catching up. And as we know, cloud is often more secure than in-house, and because more and more banks say, okay, I want to have the security, I want to have, for example, easy upgrades, so the outside vendor does the upgrade. I want to have experts on this tool who know what they're doing. Yeah?
One of the other interesting areas that we've been working on within the industry is what Swift have been doing with GPI, the Global Payment Initiative. GPI has been a classic example really of how to build something in the cloud, with all the different banks having to collaborate in order to update the status of payments as they flow through the banking network. Cloud-based technologies and APIs has been the way that GPI has ended up being implemented, and I think it's been working extremely well. We've embraced the capability by adding it to our online banking interface on Citi Direct BE, something we call Payment Insights, that enables people to actually track where the payment is, very much like parcel tracking references when you send something via one of the delivery companies. But we're extending that concept not just to Swift payments, because it's been so valuable to our customers and they've given us such positive feedback and reaction to it, we're trying to extend that now to all the different payment methods that we can execute for our customers. And I think this move towards being much more open and much more agile in our delivery of banking services is where the cloud-based technologies and application programming interfaces or APIs are going to really help us.